Dear friends, in class 11, we are studying conic sections and we are trying to understand parabola. In exercise 11.2, we have the next question. Find the equation of parabola that satisfies the condition. Vertex is 0, 0. Now please understand. So if vertex is 0, 0, then equation can be of the form, parabola can be of the form facing in any direction. That is, there are four ways. Second point, we are given that it is passing through 2 3. So if the parabola passes through 2 3, please note this is x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. It means the parabola is passing through the first quadrant. First quadrant is having both x x both x coordinate as well as y coordinate, both are positive. Hence the point is lying in first quadrant, and if it lies in first quadrant, 2 3 lies in first quadrant, it means parabola passes through first quadrant. So there are two possibilities. Now please note this parabola x square is equal to, please note, equations of the parabola are x square is equal to minus 4ay. This is x square is equal to 4ay. This is y square is equal to 4ax. This is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now please note, since the point 2 3 lies in first quadrant, so two possibilities are not there at all. This y square x square is equal to minus 4y lies in third and fourth quadrant, so parabola is not of that form. Now if you see this parabola, it lies in second and third quadrant. It means parabola is not of this form as well. So there are now two possibilities left. That is, parabola could be of the form x square is equal to 4ay, or it could be of the form y square is equal to 4ax. Since the point is 2 3, please note 2 3 lies in first quadrant. Now see the condition what is given to us. Vertex is 0 0, passing through the point 2 3, which is in first quadrant, and axis is along x-axis. Now see, please note, axis of the parabola x square is equal to 4ay, axis is y-axis, and the axis of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is x-axis. Hence this possibility also ends. So equation of parabola is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So as vertex is at origin, that is 0 0, then focus is not given to us. Parabola passes through the point in first quadrant, and as it is symmetric, as its axis is along x-axis. Equation of parabola is of the form, y square is equal to 4ax. Now please note, as it passes through the point 2 3, it must satisfy the equation. So as point 2 3 lies on parabola, it must satisfy equation of parabola. So if you put the value of the point in the parabola, we will get y square is 3 square is equal to 4a, x value is 2. So we will get 9 is equal to 8a. It means a is equal to 9 upon 8. So this is the value that we have got. A's value is 9 upon 8. It means focus is at, therefore focus is at 9 upon 8, 0. Please note. So focus is at 9 upon 8, 0, since it is on x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. Now please note, if we have got A's value, we can write the equation of parabola. So the equation of parabola is, therefore equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4 multiplied by 9 upon 8x. So that is equal to y square is equal to 9 upon 2x. Now it means 2y square is equal to 9x. So this is the equation of parabola. Therefore equation of this parabola is 2y square is equal to 9x, which has a vertex 0 0, passes through the point 2 3, and axis is along positive direction of x-axis. Dear friends, we are trying to understand parabola, and we are asked to find the equation of the parabola which satisfy these three conditions. Vertex is at 0 0. Now see, if vertex is at 0 0, then we have four possibilities. That is, it will be facing towards positive direction of x-axis, facing negative direction of x-axis, or facing positive direction of y-axis, or negative direction of y-axis. Please note, these are the four possibilities if vertex is at 0 0. That means this point is vertex is at origin. Now next is, we are given that passing through the point 5 2. So if it passes through 5 2, please note 5 2 is a point in both x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. So it lies in first quadrant. As first 5 2 lies in first quadrant, it means there are two possibilities. Please note, only two types of parabolas pass through first quadrant. That is equal, first is y square is equal to 4ax, and second is x square is equal to 4ay. These are the only two parabolas which pass through the point 5 2, that is from the first quadrant. So it means the parabola x square is equal to minus 4y and y square is equal to minus 4ax are not the possible parabolas. So we will erase these two parabolas. These two parabolas possibilities are over. Now we are left with two parabolas. That is, it will be either of the form y square is equal to 4ax, or it will be of the form x square is equal to 4ay. Now please note, next is, it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric means it will make exactly two equal parts, to half of y-axis will make two exact half of the parabola. So if y-axis is going to make two exact half of the parabola, it means parabola is of the form x square is equal to 4ay, and hence the possibility this y square is equal to 4ax, which was symmetric to x-axis, also ends. So please note, as parabola has vertex, 0 0, then passes through point 5 2, that is from first quadrant. So parabola is of the form y square is equal to 4ax or x square is equal to 4ay. But since it is symmetric to y-axis, as Parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric means, please note, all the points on this parabola are symmetric with respect to y-axis. So parabola is of the form. Parabola is of the form. X square is equal to 4ay. Now please note, this parabola passes through the point 5, 2. So as 5, 2 is a point that lies on x square is equal to 4ay, it must satisfy equation of parabola. So if you put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, then it must satisfy the equation. So we will get, put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, that is y coordinate, in x square is equal to 4ay. We will get x square is 5 square is equal to 4a, y's value is 2. So I will get 25 is equal to 4 2s are 8 a. So the a's value is 25 upon 8. Now see, focus lies on y-axis, hence the point will be, please note, its y coordinate is 0. Sorry, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 25 upon 8. So this is the focus of the parabola, and directrix is parallel to x-axis. It means it is y equal to constant. So equation of directrix is y equal to minus 25 upon 8. We are asked to find equation of parabola. Therefore, if you put this a's value in the equation of the parabola, we will get x square is equal to 4 times a's value is 25 upon 8 y. Now it means this is equal to x square is equal to 25 upon 2y. If you transpose to the LHS, we will get 2x square is equal to 25y. This is the equation of the parabola. So 2x square is equal to 25y is the equation of the parabola which passes through the vertex 0, 0, then point 5, 2 and symmetric to y-axis.